In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import existing transactions to a project in QuickBooks Online. We'll start by making sure the projects feature is enabled. In QuickBooks Online, click the gear icon for settings, choose projects, turn projects on, and save. This unlocks the project workspace where you can see income, costs, and profitability tied to a specific job. If you don't see projects, double check your subscription level and user permissions. Next, create the project you'll be working with or open an existing one. From the left menu, select Projects. If you need a new one, click New Project. Give it a clear name you'll recognize later, choose the related customer, and save. If the project already exists, just open it so you're ready to review results at the end. If your transactions aren't in QuickBooks Online yet, bring them in first. One option is importing via CSV. Go to Settings, select Import Data, then choose the type you're importing: expenses, bills, invoices, or journal entries. Upload your CSV, map each column to the correct QuickBooks field like date, amount, payee, and account. Review the preview carefully and complete the import. Use consistent date formats and double-check negative amounts for refunds or credits so totals land correctly. Alternatively, use the bank feed, go to Banking, connect your bank, and pull in your existing transactions. Review and add them to your books, making sure each one is categorized to the right expense or income account as you go. Once transactions are in QuickBooks Online, assign them to the project. For the most accurate results, open each transaction. Whether it's an expense, bill, invoice, or journal entry, look for the customer or project field and select the customer followed by the specific project. For example, sample client, website redesign. Save your changes. This ensures the project captures the true cost and revenue at the source document. If you have many items to tag, you can bulk assign. Go to expenses or sales, check the boxes for the transactions you want, click batch actions, choose assign customer/project, select the correct project, and apply. Review the list before you apply to avoid tagging something that doesn't belong. Finally, verify your work inside the project. Go back to Projects, open the project, and look through the Transactions and Expenses tabs to confirm everything you assigned is listed. Then open the Profitability tab to see the roll-up of income,